Step into the world of modern logging, where roaring machines cut, lift, and haul giant trees with brutal precision. Subscribe now and witness timber power in full force. Welcome to Tree Power Channel. Tension fills the air as the machine roars to life, its sharp chain blade closing in on the massive old tree. Each cut is a race between man and gravity. Bark fragments fly through the air, and the cracking echoes through the neighborhood. One small mistake, and tons of timber could come crashing down onto a nearby rooftop. With steady hands and nerves of steel, these fearless workers carry out a breathtaking tree-cutting performance, just inches from someone's home. The chainsaw roars to life, its engine growling through the forest like a beast awakened. The sharp blade spins with fury, a declaration of its unstoppable power. In the hands of the operator, it lunges toward the massive tree trunk with focused precision. Each cut slices clean through the thick wood. Within moments, the once imposing trunk is carved apart. Neatly, brutally, a powerful display of man and machine working as one.
Got his crosshairs on it. He's going for the shot. Right in the hole. He sees it. It's running. It's running. Look at that. Not bad at all.
In a dense forest, a group of workers wearing protective gear and helmets were using steel chainsaws to cut into the trunk of a large diameter tree. The saw blades roared, digging deep into the thick wood, sending sawdust flying. The tree shook, then slowly fell to the ground amid the echoes of the forest, a breathtaking and powerful moment. In the middle of the dense green forest, a strong female worker operates a chainsaw, cutting into a large tree trunk. Each cut is decisive, sawdust flies, the tree shakes and falls down with great force. The crane stretched its long, powerful arms through the foliage, holding the tree trunks with steel cables. Each large log was cut off and lifted gently, as if a deft steel arm were removing each giant puzzle piece in midair. The tree hesitates, as if waiting for one final push. Each hammer strike against the wedge speeds up the inevitable. And then boom. The massive trunk collapses in an unstoppable moment of force. Petzolato PTH 40.70M, a self-propelled wood chipper that redefines efficiency and mobility. With its compact yet powerful design, this red machine moves directly to the worksite. No need for transport trailers. The hydraulic grapple arm lifts and feeds logs into the powerful chipping unit with smooth, precise motion. Inside, high-speed rotating blades shred the timber into fine wood chips, which are then ejected in a steady stream. Every stage, from grabbing to chipping and discharging, is fully automated, maximizing performance while minimizing manual labor. Agile, powerful, and efficient, the Petzolato PTH 40.70M stands at the forefront of modern forestry technology. This is the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000M, a high-performance mobile drum chipper engineered for industrial-scale operations. Powered by a robust diesel engine and equipped with a massive 1000mm drum, this machine shreds entire trees, thick trunks, and forestry residues into uniform wood chips with unmatched speed and precision. With hydraulic feeding, an extra-wide hopper, and automated controls, it ensures smooth and continuous processing, perfect for biomass production, land clearing, and large-scale forestry work. Petzolato stands for power, precision, and proven reliability in the toughest environments. The Gens HEM 820 wood chipper operates with impressive precision and raw power. It doesn't thrash wildly. Instead, every movement is deliberate, forceful, and efficient, like a dedicated worker focused on its task. Massive logs are firmly gripped by the hydraulic arm and guided straight into the chipper's feed system. Inside, high-speed blades shred the timber into fine chips, blasting them into the truck's container with relentless rhythm. Every detail of the machine exudes seriousness and dependability, as if it was purpose-built for this demanding job. At a large timber stockyard, the CBI Magnum Force 8400 de Bear is operating at full throttle. A heavy-duty log loader works non-stop, continuously feeding massive logs into the grinder. As each log enters the machine, the internal grinding system shreds it into fine wood chips with relentless force. The wood chips are then powerfully ejected from the discharge chute, forming a continuous stream that piles up into a long ridge, like a mountain range made entirely of wood chips. The roaring sound of the machine, the rhythmic motion of the equipment, and the striking sight of the flowing chip stream create a dramatic industrial scene set against a raw, natural backdrop. The Bioforga Gens HEM 820, a high-capacity wood chipper, roars as it tackles a large pile of thick branches stacked nearby. Its internal blades spin at high speed, pulling in each branch and turning it into chips in an instant. The entire work area is engulfed in thick smoke and airborne wood dust. The scene becomes hazy, with only the blurred movements of the grapple arm and flashes of metal from the chipping chamber visible as the branches are shredded to pieces.